Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to use Oregon's Course to Endorsement Catalog. The Course to Endorsement Catalog is a collaborative project between the Oregon Department of Education and the Teacher Standards and Practices Commission, which is Oregon's educator licensing agency. The Course to Endorsement Catalog includes all of the National Center for Education Statistics, or NCES course codes, that have been adopted by the State Board of Education, and it identifies by endorsement the courses that teachers are authorized to teach. The catalog can be found by searching for the teacher licensure page on the ODE website. There are two formats for the catalog: the dynamic lookup tool and the traditional Excel spreadsheet. Beginning with the 26-27 school year, the lookup tool has been updated to improve usability. While the content remains the same, changes have been made to provide a more tailored experience, allowing users to more clearly see which courses they are eligible to teach based on the type of license they hold. Start by clicking on the arrow that represents the type of license. To see all endorsements eligible to teach a particular course with this type of license, click on the Who Can Teach This Course button. Next, use the first drop-down menu to select the appropriate content area, and the second menu to choose the course itself. All eligible endorsements will be listed at the top, followed by the course description. If any additional requirements are needed to teach a course, they will appear in the far right-hand column of the course description. For example, IB courses can only be taught in an IB-approved school and by a teacher who has been IB trained. If you already know the course number you're looking for, choose Select from All Courses and then type the course number in the box. To see all of the courses a particular endorsement is eligible to teach, click on the What Courses Can I Teach button. Using the first drop-down menu, choose the TSPC endorsement you would like to search. The list of courses that are eligible under that endorsement will appear. You can also use the second drop-down menu to filter by subject area if you wish. Finally, by clicking on the Course Explorer button, users can find a description of all the courses that can be taught with their particular license type, searchable by keyword. Use the Welcome and Instructions button to return to the main page of the lookup tool to search based on another license type. In the Excel spreadsheet version of the catalog, all NCES adopted courses are listed down the left-hand side, and all TSPC endorsements are listed across the top. Courses are grouped by subject area, and every course listed includes the course code, name, description, and whether or not there are any special requirements in place. In this version of the catalog, you can filter by endorsement or course name. For each endorsement, one of three results will appear. The word eligible indicates that the course can be taught by a teacher with the endorsement listed at the top of the column. A gray box indicates that the course cannot be taught by a teacher with the endorsement listed. The word atypical indicates that the course can be taught by a teacher with any endorsement, as long as that teacher holds a valid and active, unrestricted, non-provisional Oregon teaching license. This includes preliminary teaching, professional teaching, teacher leader, reciprocal teaching, and legacy licenses. Licenses that do not meet this definition include emergency, restricted, preliminary CTE, professional CTE, American Indian, and international visiting licenses. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Course to Endorsement Catalog. Please reach out to Sarah Martin at sarah.martin@ode.oregon.gov if you have additional questions.